So hey there, it's Midwest Keto Mom again. Um, Hope y'all are having a great week. I have my meal plan all laid out this week. I kind of went grocery shopping and then made my meal plan, which I usually do it quite the opposite way. But it was just one of those days. It was kind of fun to get out, and we went to a different grocery store than we normally go to. Then we had to fill in a little bit from Aldi's because our Schnucks, our local chain, doesn't have everything that I would normally use for my meal plans. Um, but let me go ahead and show you what I've got going for the week. So I have this little meal planning pad. I was looking for there's a YouTuber called Jen Chapin, and she uses the greatest meal prepping book. It's a just set up exactly like my meal prepping thing, my meal planning little pad here, except hers is spiral bound. I cannot find that for the life of me on Amazon. I'm trying really hard to look for it. If I can find one, we'll switch over to that. But in the meantime, I have this one. It's a little pad of paper. You can kind of see. And it's got magnets on the back, so it sticks to the front of the fridge. It actually keeps together pretty well. I sure do wish it was spiral bound, though. That would be so much nicer. But this way, everybody can see what we're having for dinner. So on Monday, we're going to have grilled chicken with a packet of that instant chicken broccoli rice and sauteed kale. On Tuesday, we're going to have shrimp tacos with creamy taco slaw. So I actually had a bag of shrimp in the fridge or the freezer that I needed to use or felt like I wanted to use. So I went on to Google and just Googled shrimp tacos low calorie. So wellplated.com came up with this recipe. It actually looks pretty delicious. Then Wednesday, so I used to do this week. So for my breakfasts and my snack, I'm going to have Herbalife. Their shakes are so easy, super good. I've got lots of flavors. The Herbalife coffee kind of reminds me of, it's a protein coffee, but it kind of reminds me of like a Starbucks Frappuccino kind of drink. It's absolutely delicious. My lunches are going to be a tuna pouch or a cottage cheese container with salad or green beans. So there's my meal plans for the week. Here's a copy of the Keto Meal Prep book that I'm using this week. He's got really a lot of good recipes. Let me turn to some of them. And their pictures in their book are absolutely beautiful. So there's a Greek chicken. There's an Asian salmon. And all of the recipes have a picture with them. So you kind of know what you're getting into. There we go. And I really enjoy meal prepping. So part of my meal prepping, I get everything ready. I know what I have in my fridge. I pull out my pins. I have some pins that I got from Walmart. They're glitter pins. They're fun. Set my candle up, my Yankee candle. I like lemon right now. Have my little bouquet of flowers. Okay, from year to year. So you don't have to think quite as hard. Because sometimes coming up with meals can be a bit challenging. But it's fun. So this week, you can't really see the June 8th, but this is for the week of June 8th. Monday, we're going to have grilled chicken with broccoli rice. My daughter loves broccoli rice, and I have to have grilled chicken with sauteed kale. My son will be working. He works at the local Kentucky Fried Chicken, so he won't eat dinner with us. Tuesday, we're having shrimp tacos with creamy taco slaw from wellplated.com. It looked really good. It was a low-cal. I have a bag of shrimp in the freezer that I'm trying to use. So it's a low-cal shrimp dish. My daughter probably won't eat the shrimp. She'll just eat probably creamy taco slaw on a tortilla. That's just her thing. Wednesday, cheeseburger salad. So I used to be into keto a lot. Cheeseburger salad was one of the things I really enjoyed. So I just Googled cheeseburger salad low-cal and came up. Skinnytaste.com has one, and it's about 300 calories a serving. So it looked pretty good to me. Thursday is seared tuna with green salad from lalouche.com. It sounds like it's a sesame recipe. It's got sesame oil and that kind of stuff, so it looked really delicious. Let me scoot up a little bit. Friday is beef lettuce wraps. There's a cookbook that I love to use. He's got a lot of ingredients. Flav City is another YouTuber. He's not keto, but he's not paleo. He's kind of a mix. He does healthy food. food that makes you feel good, non-GMO, organic, grass-fed, anything like that. He buys local eggs, that kind of stuff. He's based in Chicago. But he and his wife have a cookbook that I absolutely love called Keto Meal Prep. You get it on Amazon. Excuse me, goodness. So that's Friday. Saturday is butter chicken with basmati rice. And that's from familyfoodonthetable.com. I've been really wanting butter chicken. It's a dish that I really enjoy. I like curries and things like that. So we're going to have butter chicken with basmati rice. Goodness, pardon me. It looked like just a delicious meal. You can't really read Sunday. It's called My Favorite Lunch Salad. I'm actually going to show you the recipe here in the cookbooks a little bit. So thanks for watching, guys. Listening to me ramble on about my meal planning. Please hit like and subscribe. And I hope you stick this one out with me. Thanks. Have a great week.